I believe there's enough victims right now to show that the complainant was alarmed. He called 911 after the interaction.
Yeah, okay. Sir, as a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to be in possession of any weapons at this time. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
Yes.
Are you working at this time?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay. I'm gonna have you go to Victoria, sign a reset. We will have you take your sit in the jury box. I'm gonna have bond conditions created for you to sign. When I mean no weapons, I mean no weapons at all. Do you understand? If I find that you have a weapon, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand?
So,
Don't say anything. I just want you to understand. These are your bond conditions. If you violate these conditions, and I don't care what your reasoning is,
yes,
you understand?
yes, sir.
Okay, please. So, no weapons, please.
Judge, page 23. Is it still in here?
Good morning, Mr. Santibanez.
Morning, Judge.
Sir, you're charged with two cases. You're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're also charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. On the DWI, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine, and on the gun case, up to a year. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On April 26, 2026, officer observed a vehicle driving in a parking lot. The vehicle began accelerating and the rear tires of the vehicle began spinning fast enough that the tires began to squeal, which is a violation of the city ordinance. Officer positions the vehicle behind the vehicle and conducted a traffic stop. Defendant stopped his vehicle and immediately opened driver's side door as if he intended to leave. Upon contact, officer observed defendant to have red watery eyes, slurred speech, and a staggered stance. Officer also detected the odor of alcoholic beverage from the defendant's person. Defendant advised that he had a handgun in the back seat of his vehicle. Defendant was transported to a different location where standard field sobriety tests were conducted. Officer observed 4 out of 6 HPN, 7 out of 8 walk and turn, and 4 out of 4 one-leg sand. The IC was read and defendant provided a breath sample. Results were 0.147 and 140.
Any prior DWIs?
No priors. I'm running his NCIC right now to confirm.
And then does he have a license as well?
And I'm running his license now.
Mr. Santibanez, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs or unprescribed controlled medication. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're using, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand? While this case is open, you're not to be in possession of any weapons. You're not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance in your name, and those are conditions as well.
No priors and his license is eligible.
Okay. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? How do you support yourself?
I'll work.
What do you do for a living?
I'm gonna leave, man.
I need you to fill out an application for me. I need to know how much money you have coming in, all of it, whether married, girlfriend, household income, and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. Don't just put zeros because I'm going to send it right back to you. You understand? All right, Deputy Williams will give you an application. I'll have you sign a reset and then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box, sir.
All right, Judge, page 5, R. Ballo.
Good morning, sir. So you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On April 27, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer was dispatched to a family disturbance. Complainant advised that his son, defendant, and complainant were arguing. Complainant fled because of prior assault by defendant and called 911. Complainant advised defendant had been gone 3 months and does not live at the location, but that he wants to press criminal trespass charges if he comes back to the property. Officer observed the defendant get into an Uber and leave the location and gave the defendant a verbal trespass warning to not come back.
Wait, when was that?
This was. I believe this was on the 27th. I'm checking right now. He came back on the same
Okay.
day. So after leaving, officers received notification that the witness who had picked up defendant, who was an Uber driver who picked up defendant, or the Uber driver advised the defendant requested he drive back to the location that he was going to kill somebody. But then said he was not serious. Witness advised defendant requested he do a lap while police were still there. And once dropped off at the location, witness called 911. Officers arrived back to the location and observed defendant in the next door neighbor's driveway. So he was asked to leave and then asked to came back,
He came back.
yes.
Did he go to the house or is he at the neighbor's house?
So based on the DIMS, Your Honor, it seems like defendant asked the Uber driver to drive him back to the location. The witness dropped him back off at the location and then called 911.
So the witness dropped him off at that particular location where he wasn't supposed to be, and then that person called 911.
Yes, the Uber driver.
Okay. Sir, I'm going to find that there's probable cause as a condition of your bond. You're ordered not to go back to this location. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you go back, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you.
Yes, sir.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? Okay, we're going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. I'll have you go to Victoria Center, reset. I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box. and we'll get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go.
Yes, sir.
Do not pick up any new cases. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, Judge, page 19, Ponce, come on up.
Hi, please. Good morning. Are we on heard?
Ponce John.
On All right, good morning, sir. So you're charged with tampering with the government record. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir. Okay.
On April 27, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, officer observed a vehicle with what appeared to be a fraudulent paper license plate. A traffic stop was conducted and the driver was identified as defendant. Defendant provided documentation and stated he had been given his paperwork by his father and that he was no longer eligible to receive a 30-day permit through the courts. He stated his father provided him with a quote buyer's tag receipt, which bore a Texas seal and was labeled as a dealer's copy. The document was printed on thick cardboard style paper, which officer believed to be fabricated.
Does he have a license to drive?
I'm running his license right now.
Please. Sir, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. You're not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance. These are the only conditions that I'm putting on you now. If you drive without either, I will revoke your bond. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Eligible, Your Honor.
Great. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with her. If she tells you she cannot get a hold of you, or you pick up a new case, I will revoke your bond. For now, we'll have you sign a reset. I'll have you take a seat while we get the bond conditions. Once you sign them, then you'll be free to go. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Can we set them?
Yes, ma'am. Thanks.
Go ahead and sign. That's it for now, Judge.
Great. Okay. Hi, Luis. Hey, Tyler, you ready? Hi, good morning, counsel. Hey, what's up, Sean? How are you? Good morning.
Morning, Judge.
Hey, bud. What's up? Did you have a motion?
Yeah, I've got some medical issues going on, a lot of pain, but I thought I had it, so I had to go see a specialist in Methodist.
It's okay. Don't worry about
I thought
it.
it was today.
I can grant it for you because I've got issues as well. So you want to, next week, the following week, you tell me what's better for you.
Well, my appointment's not till Thursday, I was just gonna push through today, but.
Don't life's too short, man. You know, really.
The worst thing I can do is have my elbow on wood too.
Yeah. So I guess
Yeah,
just
so like a tennis ball.
pick a couple weeks out. Just, you guys agree on a couple weeks out, okay?
Sounds good, Judge.
Yeah,
There's two cases. Can we put them on the same?
of course, sure.
I think, so I guess, do you want me to file a motion, a written motion for?
You already have one on file, right?
I don't think we filed.
Yeah, if you don't mind, please.
Because state filed one for Blanco.
Yeah, if you don't mind, please, so we can have something on file.
Okay,
And then after that, you guys are prep set.
you sure this is okay? Not trying to,
Don't worry about it, Tyler. I trust you.
thanks, Judge.
I mean, he's gonna file, so I have further knowledge. Yes, that we didn't have, didn't do that. But we have a decision ready to ask for.
Oh, Carol, did you guys show up?
Did you say February?
I'm live streaming for. Is in Warren. What's the last name again? What's the last name? Oh, that's right.
So that changes.
Oh,
The argument.
he's not here though, is he?
Yeah.
Oh, he's in back.
Yeah.
It's great he made it though. It's great he made it, right?
Yeah.
Do you know why they issued the felony warrant?
I'm not sure that I've asked.
Yeah.
Oh, it was undeferred.
Yeah.
Oh, they filed a new motion, the 28th of last month.
Maybe because he was for it.
All right, this is 180 days. What did you have to do?
What do you want to do?
We have to see.
Okay, I know that's the offer that we have was felony, so it was before the issue before it. So I think you have to reach out to felony and get the offer. Because they were gonna go completely here and keep it on the burden of felony.
I did check when the last time I reached out to them.
It looks like, how many motions? This is the one. This is a second motion. He's bond denied now, so he'll probably pop up tomorrow in felony court. Do you want to, tomorrow?
We can, if you wanna email the felony.
I can reach out to felonies.
Sure. I mean, it doesn't hurt, but I don't think, I would,
I mean.
out of an abundance of caution, I would wait anyways, Carolyn.
Yeah.
Do we want to see the deal? So, I mean, my understanding is he gives a plea.
But he's in back on the joint.
Well, he's got more issues here now.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've seen the newest motion.
And then we'll see, but I guess tomorrow we'll have to roll over anyways, right?
Yeah, I think
Why don't we put him on for Thursday?
Okay.
Thursday, or you know what, probably Friday, just in case he doesn't make it there tomorrow, perhaps Thursday. And then, so at the latest, maybe we can do Friday. That way, maybe we can,
Are we still?
no, we're not going.
Or rolling to next week if you don't get something done by Friday.
I don't care. She's not ready anyways. She hasn't been able to get a hold of him. She's not ready.
That's something I was gonna, I guess you can see.
I mean, I'll talk to Felony, see if they.
Okay.
What template is it?
I'm okay with that too. I don't care.
No.
Yeah, well, that's a little.
It's up to her.
Thank you.
I'm asking which one was second.
Counsel, come on up. Who's the last name of your client?
Abdullah, Abdullah.
Okay, we're now 5-5. He was given a deal to get this thing dismissed. He had community service and a class on 4-1. Where are we now?
She had surgery, so she's 2 hours short of her class online.
I get it, but you've already had a month. You've been, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not doing long resets. I mean, I'll do 2 days,
Okay,
but after that, I'm gonna roll day for day, really.
thank you.
Okay. Hi, please.
I'm going to miss Adams.
Adams. Okay,
I worked out a resolution with the state.
okay. What have you offered?
It was a PTI
Yes.
with the 4-hour anger management and 12 hours community service, 30 days.
Great. We'll give you 2 weeks.
That's fine.
Okay. If it's not done after 2 weeks, let her know we're gonna carry her day for day.
Yeah.
Because it's pretty old. All right?
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was about to get it right. I don't think so. Oh, wait, go around. Yeah.
Hi,
I have an off-topic matter. Do you have time?
I do. What's your cost number?
261-0063.
Okay,
Bond violation. He bailed out of jail. He did not get the device for the car.
where is he now?
He's here.
Tovar, come up, around.
He called me yesterday. The issue is he doesn't have the car. It's also over a year old. And there's also no alcohol.
I get it, but he still has bond violation. You still have a condition. You're driving a car, you picked up the DUI, you gotta put a interlock on it. You can't just say, oh, I don't have a car, I'm not going to do it. Don't work like that. Do you understand? Okay, Etch, goes with you.
We need a solution with the broken operator.
He's gotta put it on. I have now more and more people that say, oh, I don't have a car yet, and then they're busted driving, just, it's,
What,
no, you have bond conditions. If there's an issue, you come to court. This is a place where we have proof. We don't work on the gospel here. Do you understand? You have now, Mr. Tovar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and number 13. You know darn well how these things go. You can't just leave it up to chance and, oh, throw it up and hope it turns into a rainbow. No, sir. Etch, he goes with you.
one more question? I
Hmm?
would be until day to get it.
Until what day?
By 5, maybe. Was he told by 0?
I don't know. I mean, I'm going on what you're telling me that he was a bond violation because he didn't get it in time. Let me see the bond violation.
But the bond violation came up, but there seems to be a discrepancy between those two things. And the other question was, can they get?
So
Yeah.
we don't give 5 weeks to get an interlock. He received conditions of bond on 4/15. We are now 5/5. There's no way he would have had that long. He's been out for 10 days.
He said he was.
He made a surety bond on 4/25. So
Okay, so
it's up to him. Had we not filed, where would he be? He would still be out, just you know?
So sure we address it, sure that he knows.
Yeah, if he bonds out, he has to get an interlock. There's a car, whatever car is at home, he has to have an interlock on it.
Could I have you approach it about an hour and see if we can let him out for 8 hours?
I'm not, no. He's on felony deferred for an extremely serious case, you know?
But I told him now.
Yeah, I'm,
What I have in the notes is that he did tell his future officer that he did have a car, but that it was impounded and then he couldn't afford to give it out. But his due date was, May 2nd.
okay, bring me proof. But I'm not gonna work on just, I need proof of something and then we'll go from there.
Such a non-driving affidavit.
No, I need proof that it's actually impounded, so that I know it's in a place that he's not gonna get it out. I'm just, I don't want to take someone's word for it, but if you bring me proof that it's impounded, then it'll go farther. Okay?
Just want to make sure I know what.
Yeah.
Restriction. I'm
I
going.
mean, you got many hours, so you got quite a bit of time. So, good luck.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'll.
Judge, I have one more.
Okay. I'm ready when you are, Victoria.
Bottom of 11, Bird, come on up.
All right, Mr. Hurd, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On April 28th, 2026, in Harris County, Texas, around 3 a.m., officers were dispatched to a traffic hazard vehicle driving erratically on San Houston Tollway. Officers observed the vehicle matching the description with the right blinker on without changing lanes. A traffic stop was conducted, and upon contact with the defendant, officer observed bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and a strong odor of alcoholic beverage. Defendant advised he had a few beers. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted, 6 out of 6 HGN, 8 out of 8 walking turn, and the defendant was unable to follow one leg stand instructions. DIC was read, and defendant consented to providing a sample, but was unable to complete the test. Defendant then consented to a blood draw, and blood was drawn.
Any prior to DWIs?
No prior DWIs, Your Honor.
License?
Eligible.
Okay. Mr. Hurd, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case. As a condition of your bond, I'm ordering you not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you consume alcohol or illegal drugs, then I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. Also, as a condition of your bond, you're not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance. You must maintain car insurance. If you don't have it, then likewise, no driving. Do you understand? Yeah.
Yes.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer? Are you working at this time? How do you support yourself?
Work. I'm sorry.
Sure. What do you do for a living?
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay. I need to know how much money you make a month. I need to know all sources of income. If you're married, girlfriend, boyfriend, their household income as well. And then I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. You need to be at the federal poverty guideline, making, $16,000 a year to qualify for a court-appointed lawyer. We just don't give them like it's candy on Halloween. Do you understand? So
Yes.
if you want to, I don't know what your situation is. You're welcome to apply. If you know, then you don't have to. We'll just have you sign a reset. We'll give you time. It's up to you.
It's just that.
So no. I need it on paper. I need to know exactly how much money you make, any other sources of income, any other people that live with you as part of the household, any kind of income they make, and then I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. Deputy, as you go in, we'll give you an application. I'm going to have you sign a reset, and then we'll have you take a signature box, sir.
Okay, right.
Go ahead and sign for the recess, please.
Are you
Potts, John. Barbello Michael.
No, no, I'm just asking. They give me two. So do you? I have people. Thank you.
Sample for Lisa?
These guys.
Yes. So I don't see this.
Yeah. Talk to me.
This is on Joseph Curran, C, with a C.
Okay.
Current's what it did was reflect some discovery issues.
Oof, that's old. What the
So
heck?
There's apparently an 911 missing that we've re-requested, and I haven't heard back. Understand?
Whatever's not in now,
Alright.
that's it.
Making a,
And there's an Officer Ventress and Officer Perez that Sean did request by one cam.
They still don't have that either?
He requested after last time and they didn't produce it.
No. Ain't gonna happen.
there are body cams from other officers, just not those two.
Shh. Are those the main officers?
I looked on this,
Yeah.
but, okay, so as of, say, are you gonna be able to make a documentary or something? No, nobody won't get.
I mean, I can, sure.
Okay, and then Victoria asked me to do a project, it's crusty,
Say it again.
it's going to be a little bit crusty.
You don't know, it's old. What do you want to do with it? You want to set up a trial?
Set up for trial.
Do it.
Could, you know, put on the top.
Do the same one? Sure, of course. Yeah.
Okay.
So hold on. So no body worn of officer,
Ventures.
Okay.
V, and then two S's at the end, V, E, N, T,
Okay.
R, E, S, S, and then Perez.
Perez, and 911
And the state did have a
discovery violation.
BRA for the 911, but there's no R. You know, right?
That's what it looked like.
So no 911.
Yeah, they just released the strategy.
Yep.
If they don't care, you know what I mean?
I understand.
Right. Okay. Have fun, Tyler.
Thank
Hey, Herman, ready? How are you?
I'm approaching on Mr. Rodriguez, sir.
Okay.
It's a mature case. I outlined what the issues are. Farwell's gonna take a look at it.
Sure. Farwell, you want just a couple days? Okay, I'll waive it, but just be ready at the next setting, 2-3 days.
Either he'll go into, either they'll dismiss it or he'll make a decision.
If he wants to do PTI, he's got to have everything done. I mean, you're near 200 days. I mean, get it ready. Is it,
I think it's an automatic.
What's the last name?
Rodriguez. Richard?
It would be.
Yeah.
okay, so I guess,
I'll have
it-
him here.
Right,
That way we can
and
do
then
a
we'll-
walkthrough.
perfect.
Cool. Thank
All
you.
right, that sounds great.
How much time?
I'm gonna hold on yet to see if they have anything, if they bring anything, and then, yeah.
Judge, how much time on garbage?
Just a couple days for Farwell to take a look to see whether they're gonna kill it.
Could you mind the 13th, since I'm already here, that's next Wednesday? That way I can get him prepared, he can take his time off from work.
Fine.
Cool, thank you.
2602. Give me 1 second. Let me just look this up. Hey, Washington is on the docket today?
Yes, Judge. But he was waiting today. It was BBR was just filed. Council said he
Friday.
would come in tomorrow.
No, let's put on,
He's currently at our office, that's why I was approaching it out, the officer requesting me if he wanted to take a drug test.
sure, but we're gonna put them on for Friday.
Friday.
Mhm.
I'll let him know.
Yep. Okay, thanks.
Okay, so the changes instructions. Instructions.
Let me see if I can get
Hey, what's up,
Can
friend?
I approach?
Yeah.
I have one that Victoria reminded me about that's an off docket, and I have one that's on docket.
Okay, who's on docket?
On docket is Joshua Trevino.
Okay,
So this one, I had asked the state to review, because I know John is on paternity leave, I don't know who's gonna be back.
John.
Um,
Oh, hi. Yeah, but we're not, no. We don't, not everything just holds until,
no, I understand. There were some things that I wanted them to look at because there is a moment before they go into the DWI investigation.
so just,
Okay,
can you take a look?
Yes, Judge.
Trevino, same thing. We'll give you a couple days
and I
because it's
think we have
old.
an answer on PTI as well.
Oh, have you applied?
Yes, we
we
do have an
applied.
application. I can send it to, another one, the deputy chief.
Okay.
John also gets back on Thursday.
Okay, well, that's perfect. I'll come back and.
Yeah, but he's not gonna look before Thursday.
I'll email him and I'll come talk to him on the docket. It's
Okay.
something real simple that once he looks at it, we'll have a
Okay.
decision.
And what about your off docket?
The off docket is. You want the cause number?
Sure.
258-6122. This one, he has court, get on his last name. He's got court on the 6th. He has an interlock installation appointment on the 7th. So we're just trying to see if we can get, a week after that, so we can get everything submitted.
Say it again?
So he has court on the 6th, interlock install appointment on the 7th. So we're trying to get maybe a week so we can get everything submitted.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for
Thanks,
sure.
Judge.
Okay,
Appreciate
thanks.
it.
Oh. Here, those are amazing. I have more, don't worry. You know, I went to the dentist yesterday. He's like, what the hell's wrong with you, man? He's like, we're gonna have to yank it. Oh, you are? So, no. He's like.
No, that should I approach now?
Or I said. He's like, oh my God. You have some-
I don't know, yeah, but just.
He's like, he's gonna run his line. He's like, hey, we'll upset it. He's like, we're gonna have to hear. No, no.
Something to do about taking this from.
They're gummies, so easy type.
Judge, Trevino, the one that we're waiting on the TI decision, how long did you get that reset?
A week? You said a week?
Well, that was on Giron, that's the.
Oh, just a couple days because it's old. I mean, you said Thursday, right?
I can send
Thursday's
it-
when John will be back,
I
yeah.
can send it to.
At
another
latest
chief.
Monday.
Okay, that's fine,
I can send it to another chief before John gets back.
It's just Monday's fine.
that's fine, thanks, sir.
Yeah. Hi, are you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Come on up.
I'm approaching on behalf of for Donovan Calvert. He's in custody.
Okay, give me one. Let me.
And, put him on.
Is it Talbert?
Calvert.
Oh, Talbert. Okay, let's see. I start with a T. There we go. Okay. Crap.
I was told that there's a BDR in his original misdemeanor, but I'm not seeing, neither of us are seeing the filing for it, so.
The BVR must be the fact that he picked up the new cases. It's got to be it, you know? So I'm just, I'm gonna yank the PR bond. I'll leave it as is. I mean, he's not made bond on the other cases regardless, so. On Calvert, do you mind just the UCW revoking the PR bond, just new law violation, and then, okay. It's a really far reset. Can we do maybe 30 days and then we'll come back to see if there's a different, something's happened. If not, at that point, just, you know, a lot of times, some cases, something will happen on the case and then ours is 2 months out and people forget about it and they get stranded, so.
Yeah, we could do 30 days.
Yeah,
That's fine.
okay.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thanks. Hi, counsel. Come on up.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Good morning. What's up?
I'm here, Mr. Isaac Lopez.
Lopez. We'll give you a normal reset. I mean, you're at 140, so you're getting up there.
He's already completed his 2 rounds. We're just waiting on approval, and I'm gonna contact the chief for approval for, PG.
Great, just whatever you need.
Yes,
Just, it's not old enough for me to intervene anyway, so, yeah, whatever you need,
yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
I arrange this.
please.
I'm trying to get ahead because I know you're gonna do the trial tomorrow.
I'm not gonna be in trouble.
Oh, can I give you a cause number? Does that-
Sure,
wait,
of course.
Get the contract.
Give it to me,
259
okay?
5485.
Okay,
Still waiting on SFST videos. I've outlined to show what is the PC issues.
no, but, whoa, we're at 140 days and you don't have stuff?
So Judge, we have
Yeah, he has.
about 8 videos in there.
Okay,
As
what are
far
you
as-
missing?
SFST video.
All right.
That's fixed.
Right, so that was just brought to my attention right now. I'm gonna evaluate the case and make sure that those are either there or not.
So
I haven't-
let's do this. Why don't we set it a week or two to give you time to
Yeah,
find
that's
it?
why I'm approaching.
Yeah, so Victoria, this is Herman's case for
Can I do
tomorrow?
May 13th as well, look at the other one.
Sure, yeah, I'm good with that.
That's fine, I'll look it up.
Are you ready? It's not on docket. Let me give you a call number.
Laura?
It's on tomorrow's, yeah.
What's the last name?
Chagola.
Say it again.
Okay,
So they're waiting on it, SFST or SFST's videos. So 2 weeks for him to find it.
And the new
It's 140
generation
days, so we're not at that point yet, but we're getting there.
FST.
Yeah. we say
Nevertheless.
FST. I said that this new generation, like saying SFSTs, we just said FSTs.
We make
Right.
it difficult.
Yeah.
Because they want it standardized.
Yeah.
If you don't have it by the next time,
Yes, Judge.
I'm setting it for a 10-day.
Yes, sir.
just so you know, okay?
Just gotta watch all those videos, make sure.
Yeah.
Anybody about that.
Yeah, I have shot there.
Okay. All right, got it.
Still waiting for it.
Ms. Dennis? She fine. You're agree to be, she wants to bring out.
Hey, Farwa, I'm gonna text you because, twenty-six oh two. Okay, Victor's email's not working, so I just sent you and him a text that his client Washington has to be here. So it's such to no ex parte. Okay, hi,
Good
Sanam.
morning.
Are you ready?
How are you today?
What's up?
Robinson, Judge.
Robinson. Have you had any contact with Mr. Robinson? Oh, okay.
After you revoked him, he contacted me like 4 or 5 days later. I talked to him and said, hey, there's a warrant. He couldn't understand that. I was like, yes, you need to come in. And then I wanted to subpoena the surveillance of the hotel, but the case was not active. I couldn't subpoena that. I couldn't put an investigator on it. So then he came into custody for some reason, but
Well, they picked him up, I'm sure.
yes.
Yeah.
So I talked to him yesterday. You were not here yesterday. Judge Andrews did not want to touch the case. And he believes that he was supposed to be released. He has these papers saying that he's released, next court is May 8th. I tried my best. I have emailed those agents, Mr. Robinson. However, I don't think that he would let me off the case. Okay.
I'm not gonna give him another PR bond. We've done that. We've gone round and round. He just fails to appear. He does whatever he wants to do without regard to bond conditions or orders, reset orders, just so there he stays. I'm not getting him another PR bond. If you don't mind, stay on it.
I don't mind, Judge, but he does not understand. He's competent. I'm pretty sure that he's competent because he understands what I'm talking about, but he selectively doesn't want to understand what goes on with the bond. And he left the court because I was not there when he left the court, came back, it was 3 o'clock.
Hey,
Robinson? Yes.
do you feel comfortable bringing him out? Okay, just be careful because he's,
I don't think one of these guys.
just hey, just take care, just.
That they know he is. He's in custody or he's something. Yesterday he told me that I'm denying his freedom. So yes.
I'll expect him. It's not a problem.
I'm trying to get the surveillance, if you can get faster, that would be perfect.
Okay.
So he was there with no trespass, he has a way to have the security thing, I was asking to just leave that, like, you know, right, that's the area as opposed to watch TV and then based on his version of the events that, he would tell security was tackles.
Okay.
Yes, those things are going to be little.
Morning, Mr. Robinson. So your lawyer is not telling me that you don't understand why you're in custody. Or I don't know. Do you know why you're in custody at this point? I'm sorry?
Do you believe that you got bond and can be released?
Yeah, I believe it.
Right? I'm not giving you another PR bond.
That's what this says here. It says
That does not say that. No.
on this paper, that's what this weekend, there was some sign in Georgia for the weekend, it says that here on the first line, the judge has approved your release from jail and placed you under the supervision of Harris County pretrial. So that's why I'm getting released this weekend, but that was Saturday. And that's-
No, that says that that if you are released, you will be under the supervision of pretrial services. That is correct. You're obviously don't have a PR bond now because you're still in custody. So if you would have been given a PR bond, you would be out already by now.
That's why I was just not understanding why that this order as it is, it's been signed and said that it's here, this is the third, that I signed, that was the second, that this was ordered. And then I came to court yesterday, so that it should have been already activated, is what I didn't understand, so.
I'm not giving you another PR bond. You have to understand that we have given you multiple PR bonds. I even reinstated your bond once. I even appointed you a lawyer to reach out to you. You, number one, you refused to fill out the affidavit of indigency. Then you came back, then you took it, and then you left. You're not left once, you're not left twice, but you left thrice. You have
Received the affidavit to fill out for the attorney. I talked to an attorney. I have retainment fees in the system that I paid in Harris County from in the past and put that money into attorney. So I have retainment fees still in the system of money paid. So some of that the attorney contacted me is because of the money that I paid into the retainment fee. So I came the first day in court. You dismissed me to the court and you, within the first 5 minutes of speaking to you, you said something of contempt. And then you dismissed me to the hallway. No one ever came. That was day one. So you came the second day, you sent something of $40,000. So the first day was $100 bill, Your Honor. The next day that I showed up to court, then now it's $100 bills. And then the next day I get information now it's $7,500 bills from a single $100 bill, Your Honor. I mean, this here says that I would just be conditioned to free trial and that I will come to court on my own behest. I don't see why I would be stuck in the custody over this such a small matter, you know, that's what.
You're not supposed to come to court when you want to come to court.
No, come every time. I've been, this was the last 30 days, I've been in court 4 or 5, even 5.
Right, yes, you do come, but then you leave.
No, I've been every single time, Your Honor.
You're right. You are correct.
So
You
that's
do,
need to be
but then
kindness is
you
what-
end up leaving. We send people to go get you. You're not here. You're not downstairs. You're gone. This has been multiple times. I gave the opportunity once. I reinstated your bond last time, and then you still took off.
So why would I go from, look.
So why would
I go from 100 to $400 bills is what, that was within 24 hours. It went from one day I was here, you asked me to go to retain to the hallway, and I did. And the
Your
next is
bond-
$400.
Well, let me explain to you. Your bond was at $100 when you first got the case. The bond was set at $100. We asked you to come to court, or I'm sorry, the magistrate ordered you to come to court. You came to court. I asked you if you wanted an appointed lawyer. We sat there, we argued for a while, and then at some point you said, okay, so we gave you an application. You went outside, or I'm sorry, at that point, he refused to accept the application, right? And then at some point you did take it, but you left. Hold on.
Yes, Mr.
I ended up revoking the bond at that point. Normally, when someone takes off, I set it either at 2,501 or 5,001, depending on how many times we've seen you. You came back the next day. I reinstated your bond. I took the warrant away. We asked you to stay, and then you left again. And at that point, you were supposed to go into custody. but you went to customer service and they told you to come up here and then there was a big snafu. So you ended up leaving. And at that point, I appointed Sanam to get in contact
I
with
was in
you.
custody. I went here and I was in jail the whole weekend. And then the weekend I was released. From that day, that Friday, I didn't get out of jail till Monday. So I was in jail that whole weekend. So now I'm in jail. I'm just asking, can we some kind of way, I've been booked, I've served time, I've been to court 4 or 5 or 6 times. Is there a way that we can go from this stipulation I did with the pretrial and I will show up?
I'm gonna let Sanam talk to you about what the options are now. I'm not gonna continue to give you PR bonds.
I'm saying this is
So-
not, that's something I haven't, it's been through this here, opportunity of pretrial. I've been released 2 or 3 times and showed up 4 or 5 or 6 times for a hearing within the last 30 days. I haven't missed a single time, Your Honor,
Okay.
not any time.
I disagree with that, and I don't
So
think
this is what it
that's
says
true,
here. You're
but
not, maybe look, you should read what this says instead of, you should read this paper.
I've read those papers many
So then
times.
more than what that is more your attitude that you are this and that's because of your own goodwill, because like you dismissed me from the court day 1, and then the second day you dismissed me again. And then that weekend, I was booked for the whole weekend. Then I was released, and then you said 2 separate court days. This is the 14th and the 15th of April. And so then the bail went from $100 to $4,000 bills to now $7,500 bills, and I didn't miss any time. So then I couldn't find out the information. I talked to the attorney through my retainment fees. And so then I turned myself in. I was released by another magistrate through this is what the pre-trial. We're talking about a simple misdemeanor. And then here over the weekend, you some kind of way stalled that magistrate said that I can be a PR. So it's really you that's trying to keep me behind bars over a simple misdemeanor. Maybe you haven't read the incident. A security guard ran into me.
Stop. I don't want you to talk about the case.
I can't speak for myself.
I don't want you to talk about the case. Yes, you have the right to remain silent.
So maybe
Anything you
not
say
read the affidavit. I have obtained fees from attorneys and I pay money, not just a.
Hold on. Look, I don't want you to hurt your case.
It's
So
not me,
please
you
do
are
not
hurting
say
my case.
anything.
You keep booking me into jail. It's you. Because I have a PR, it says right here, a magistrate has approved your release from jail. That was this weekend. You have denied that. Then that weekend, you sent in the court, you never sent no one to get me. And then you raised the bond from $100 bill to $4,500, right? $4,500 bills. To the next week to $7,500 bill. For a simple misdemeanor. And now you denied this order from a magistrate that signed off this week.
Mr. Robinson, we don't send people to go get you. You're right, it is
You keep
me.
doing that. You keep
This
denying
is
it.
correct.
So maybe you don't know what the affidavit issue is. A security guard ran into me.
Let,
I didn't
just
assault
take
no
him
one.
back.
Yeah, it's you. You on bullshit. You know it. You know it's you, Your Honor. You don't know what the fuck is going on and you keep looking at me. That's you. I mean, you know that's the consequence. You gonna burn in hell for that bullshit. You know it. You're a bitch. You're a pussy. You ain't gonna get trained.
I'm not gonna give you. So I don't know if you wanna do a comp or,
I won't think about it, but
it's up to you. I don't know.
90% chance it comes out.
Is discovery complete on the case?
The 911 was in process from last month, along with the MDT and the defense also asked me to try and subpoena the surveillance.
Okay.
I
My,
already did subpoena, but I don't know. if
Yeah,
it
I'm,
was-
whatever you want to do, if you want to set it a couple days or whatnot. And do you have any, so you have no surveillance at this point?
not the hotel surveillance, which.
Is that where the alleged assault occurred?
Yes, sir.
Is it on video?
That's what was brought to my attention. I don't know. Don't have
It
that.
happened in the lobby, so I assume that all lobbies. just
So
have-
try to get it as soon as possible so we can show him so he
We'll
can
look at it,
see it.
yeah.
And then if you want to, I guess perhaps after that or now put an offer. I don't know. It's up to you guys, but. And sit on whatever you want to go in a day, 2 days, a week. It's up to you.
I'll do my best. Thank you.
Hey. So, okay. Alanis.
It was a 30-day PTI It had
8 hours.
anger management, effective decision making, and 4 hours of community service.
Great. I'll give you 2 weeks, Ms. Hudson. The case is already 200 days old, okay? So if he doesn't have it done in 2 weeks, then let him know it's gonna get rolled, okay?
Mr. Carter.
Okay.
That one is still going to be cat.
I just need to see that.
You say what?
Carter, discovery is complete and CT that.
Okay, great. It's 184. I'll give you a week. Let him know he's got to be here. Hey, did you hear the first one?
No, Judge.
Top of page 2. It's they have offered a PTI, 2 weeks, must appear. It's 4-hour community service and then 2 classes. And then bottom of page 5, they got an offer today, so got to resolve it next week. When must appear.
Next one is Raina.
What's it?
Raina.
Raina, got it. Okay,
That one was still waiting on the PTI decision.
It's a deputy chief level, but I did give Karina's information.
so let's set it for Monday, because you had 170 days.
And are we able to make this appointment for that one?
Yeah,
Unless we have a decision.
yeah, right, unless, I guess if there's a decision, if there's no decision and they deny it, then he's got to be here to put another offer on it, okay?
And then Mr. Rodriguez.
Okay, right under.
He was required to be here today, but he's actually in the hospital and I have documentation.
What do you want to do with the case regardless?
I will need to talk to him about it, but we're probably gonna try for PTI.
Okay, so, hey, are they approved or not approved?
We haven't submitted anything yet.
No, are they really medication?
We can't do it without application, but it is at the level we just like that.
So all you need is an application. Okay, so 1 week also to be here.
Okay.
SF.
Okay.
Is that the last one?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hey, bottom of page 21, SF via. Yeah, 1 week. Does she know about it?
Perfect.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am, Judge.
Hey, please.
One second. How are you?
What's up?
Yeah, Darren Fuller, FORD.
Okay,
It is a motion to adjudicate. It was on probation for assault family members and looks like he picked up a possession of marijuana charge. He was arrested on it. I don't know if he's guilty of it, but he was arrested for it. And that's what primarily spurred his MHA. I spoke with CLO.
what's the last name?
I spoke with the CLO and I'll let her speak, but looks like probation is suggesting SOP. Mr. Ford has about 4.5 months left on the probation. And he said that he can get everything done.
How's he done?
This was reported, we let the probation officer know he's been struggling financially, so she has been using like a job search, blog that's just been similar, where he's been submitted to her.
How long, where's Mr. Ford, have him come up, please, right now.
Judge, I will also say that his mom is here, his sister's here, and his girlfriend is here, so he's got a little support on that side.
Great. Looks like everybody's supporting but him.
He's had some struggles.
When is the last time you've had a full-time job, Mr. Ford?
See, end of last year was working on college.
What, the end of last year?
Because it wasn't a season.
Why are you getting picky? A job, when is the last time you've had a full-time job?
The end of last year was on college.
It's been 6 months.
Right.
It's- There's the old adage that beggars can't be choosers. Don't seek the job of a CEO when you're, there are plenty of other jobs. Amazon, Starbucks, keep going. It's unacceptable. I mean, yet somehow you still have money. You picked up a possession of marijuana case. You don't have money to pay for classes. You don't have money to pay the fees. You don't have money to do the community service. You don't have money to do this, but you got it for other things. No. Mr. Ford, actions speak louder than words. Anything you tell me will go in this ear and will go out that ear because I know where your priorities are. And let me be frank with you. You have 30 days to clean up. When is the last time that we've tested him?
January 12th, and it was positive for THC.
Let's send him for a test now.
Yes.
I'm sending you for a test now, then we'll roll him for, I guess, 2 days.
I think he's on docket on Friday.
It would really behoove you to get a full-time job. Like yesterday, Mr. Ford. It seems that everybody else is supporting you, but you. Do you have children?
I have two. That's why I said I'm trying my best to DoorDash from DoorDash to McDonald's to.
If you do not have a license and you do not have car insurance in your name, I hope and pray that you're not driving. Because if you're driving without insurance, it's really not going to go well. Do you understand? So let's test him now and let's see what's going on. And then we'll roll him for the day that he's got docket.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
George, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I have Oscar Maldonado on the docket that's going.
Okay.
It's GI.
I got you.
Okay. Anything in particular that you need?
No, no,
Yeah, I mean, it's early.
okay. She just told me to check with me,
Oh,
but I talked to.
oh, it's a new case.
Yes,
It's an arraignment. Maldonado, come up. Mr. Maldonado, you're charged with failure to stop and give information. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. Does he have a license to drive?
He has one listed, Judge. I'm checking his eligibility right now. It's on the, yes.
You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license. You must also maintain liability insurance. These are your bond conditions. I'm only asking you to follow the law. If you do not have car insurance in your name, do not drive. If I find that you do, if you pick up a new case, I will revoke your bond and I will put you in jail. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand? Do not drive without liability insurance. I don't care if you drove here. If you drive without insurance, it's just not going to go well for you. I'm not asking much. I just want you to follow the law. You have a lawyer. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. You do not need to waste your time coming to court, but you must stay in touch with Mr. Reyes and he'll tell you if and when you have to come back to court. If he tells me that you're playing games, that you're not responding to his phone calls or text messages, I will revoke your bond. You understand? Okay, we will have you sign a reset. I'm gonna have you take a seat while we get your bond conditions. Once you sign them, at that point, you will be free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Reyes. Hey,
Morning, Robert.
what's up?
Good to see you, sir.
Yeah, you too. Mr. Godfrey, huh?
Yes, Your Honor.
What do you want to do with Mr. Godfrey?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. I spoke with the state. The state's trying to confirm whether or not this new charge will be included in the potential global offer. You know, when we first started down this road, they were trying, Mr. Booker is representing him in felonies and trying to get him to LIMAC. I think that's an option. I think he's gotten offered 15 years pending. We're trying to get it down 3 years.
They offered 15.
I believe it's 15. I'm trying to get it down.
They really offered 15 years.
Check. It
And
is,
Mr. Godfrey.
yeah, 15.
So, yeah, it's not gonna be going anywhere. but,
Is it a minimum 25? Do you know? I wonder. Anyways, what's the next setting there now? What are they doing?
It's June 11th.
Yeah, but what are they, are they making any headway on it?
It's set for disposition.
I don't know if there's gonna be a disposition thing, I'm gonna say, because of the new charge, he picked up the fighting charge, so.
Yeah, but that's not gonna hold up the ag Rob.
I get it, but the state's emailed, the felony prosecutors to verify that it's gonna be included in the global offer, which I'm hoping. And again, I believe they're trying to get it down to, last time I talked to Mr. Booker, I believe it's 9, where they want to get it down, so that's where they're kind of stuck at.
Okay. I guess we'll set you for the 12th. At some point, we got to set it though, you
Yes, sir,
know?
Your Honor. My hands are kind of tied on this one, but I agree.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do the 12th. Let's make sure it's not a weekend. Hold on. Yeah, it's a Friday. Okay.
It's a Friday?
Do you want to do the Monday after?
It's fine. Friday, Monday,
Don't worry about
Day
it.
before would be better than 11. but-
Well, no, but that makes no sense.
Right, yeah. it's-
Right.
It's fine.
Do Friday or do the Monday after? Your choice. I don't care.
I'd rather do so.
Good.
Thank you.
Okay. Because ultimately, if he takes 9, you guys are going to dismiss all these cases?
If it's a global, that would be it, yeah.
Right.
I mean,
So,
I would hope they should.
I mean, he's probably gonna, it's too early anyways on an ag Rob, so, okay.
The other, Your Honor, is, Mr. Alex Martinez. Bail review, interesting.
Oh, he's in jail?
Yes, Your Honor.
Escape.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
You should see what action on
I guess I'm okay with whatever you want to do.
But I'm waiting to help this.
Yeah, right. Yeah, they didn't we've had trouble getting him on the theft case. And now he picked up those 3. Wow. Okay, I'm happy with whatever you need
Yes, sir.
the day after or whatnot.
Thank you. Your Honor.
Okay, for sure.
Yes.
Okay,
Thank you and have a good day.
you too.
Let's do it.
Council, are you ready? Hi.
And I have a plea for
Okay.
weeks.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Ruiz. Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. It is elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the deadly weapon enhancement. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they've offered you 21 days in jail with credit for the 7 days that you have done. You are giving up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up your right to appeal. This is final today. You can never change this or undo this. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense, guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty, sentence you to this agreement. Good luck to you, sir. Thanks.
And this is like,
Thank you.
APW, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
APW, man, all the way.
Judge, were there state bond conditions for long?
Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Can you file no driving without a license or insurance?
Yes, please.
Mr. Molly, good morning, bud.
I was just retained on this case. It's set for tomorrow. I wanted to see if you would do PC on it.
Is the defendant here?
She's not here. So I wanted to tell you, she's in high school. She's an honor student. Is there any way to avoid her having to school?
No, you got to be here.
Okay. We just
It's
tomorrow.
fair is fair. We do it to every single person,
Yeah.
you know? Yeah, I can't just, no favoritism, you know?
Okay.
Hi.
So for Mr. Lawson, you wanted to get the daughter's name, you have a complaining witness.
Did you reach out to the,
I attempted, but didn't get a call back, but I left a message on the shooter next to it.
is it a minor or no?
I'm not sure, it's not, they don't have a name in the office record.
Okay, I guess, do you know how many children the person has? Is it the only daughter? Are there multiple daughters where if you put, you know, daughter, then there are multiple ones, they're not gonna know who. Okay.
Judge, there's nothing in the office report about any more children, if you mentioned the daughter.
I guess put other complaining witness then. Yeah. Yeah, let's put daughter. Mhm. For sure.
Yes. Yes, he is presenting.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure.
Judge, on page 41, Martinez,
Yeah,
so he did get the 2 felonies and 1 misdemeanor.
they're on bond. They didn't give him a PR bond, so bonds are good. I would say just reset whatever out. Yeah.
All right, so this is the form. From the library. Yeah. What is this? Sure.
Hello?
Sure.
Who's this? Who? Oh, hey, What's up? Yeah, are they available now or no?
Yeah.
I'm gonna come check it out. I'm gonna come look at it. I'm sorry? I don't know. I'm gonna check it with my wife to see. So I don't want to give you a concrete date because I just don't know. But it'll probably be the weekend. Okay, great. Okay, and you said Scott?
Okay.
Josh. Okay, Josh, thanks. Okay, take care.
So.
Oh, that's not your
Oh, sorry about that. Sure.
Yeah, you can escalate that. I remember when you want to get back to June. Yeah. I don't send this because validation. Hopefully, I have compliance. Yeah.
Sure.
Judge, before 10 is that, help with rearrangements. Yeah.
You're coming back. What? I thought she was back already. Okay. I'll go now.
Judge, your people.
Please. Yeah, I mean, I'm certainly okay with that. Is he okay with that?
Everyone must be okay. Until next.
He's gonna get out here and he's gonna go haywire. Are you bringing him out now?
Yeah.
Right, we'll do this now. I gotta go to 10.
Yeah, but we have had. 11 days credit.
Oh, thanks.
Maldonados? Maldonado.
Maldonado.
Okay, they're on site. They're on site, okay. There we go. Yes.
Mr. Robinson, are you sure you want to do this? Are you guilty of the assault? Are you guilty of the assault, Bill? Okay. You,
Holocaust on last 30 days, I want to apologize for the last outburst, but we've been going through it, me and you talk about the last 30 days, I want to thank you for your being official though. Thank you, Your Honor.
we only ask you to come back. That's all we ask you to do. We sent multiple people going out there looking for you. Nobody could find you. So I'm just telling you what we found. So you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail. The agreement that you have worked out is 33 days in jail with credit for the 11 days that you've done. Mr. Robinson, you need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It will be there forever. You can never take it off. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers if you're not a citizen. There are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. You understand? You still want to do this? How do you plead to the offense of assault? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. Send you to this agreement, follow it, and good luck to you, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Take care, man. Thanks, Senator. Is he still talking to me? Oh, he was me? Oh, that's nice.
Just like the flip phone, right? And he was almost there. Yeah. So we have
Hey, I didn't grant her.
Okay. Yeah, it's gonna get me. No, there are a couple of arrangements. For me, not sure, but it's. I can go next show off and do. Oh, I should have that piece. No problem.
We got. Did your daughter make a choice yet?
American.
That's. Oh, boy.
Stay busy.
And I was like, you know.
She has to.
I'm not sure. So I was like, it's like, they're all sorry. Some days. Well, I'm still sitting sure. It's something about. So you're good through? Oh,
Thanks, girls.
It's when y'all start finding. I can do that. You know, like. It's actually a nice. Awesome. Yeah. Small office scholarships that. Forward. They're all good. Encouragement. Well, I left here. You're doing great. The company. And so years ago, and I was like, it's like, well, you're still like, you're going for a civil engineering company. But they were also like, I mean, that's the way to go, but they were all like, every time I went there, I was like, so y'all look, they were like, yeah, I was doing so, I really like, they're like, my embarrassment offered. Be an engineer.
Yes.
There's an option.
Oh,
Tell her to take out the ones that you have to go through your forgiveness.
Crazy. All right, see you later.
Oh, yeah, that was not plus items. Oh, yeah, actually was that.
American choice. They were watching time. Yeah, that's it. LSU. LSU is LSU. And so she was a kind of legislator.
Easy to find, and share.
So it's yeah, that's before we got left my house. And then we got rid of her and she's like, it is not perfect. It was here.
Because that's the big suspension.
And it's not the same way. You know, that's just.
Also, it's changed so much.
Sure, and then I don't think it comes in free food. Yes, exactly.
Wow.
Here's how it is. She's
All starts with recruiting department. Let's go. Very healthy. And no, it's just that she's one of all the. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's good.
Yeah, that was, she was having.
And you.
Okay.
You just were able to.
Fair.
Yeah.
I guess.
St. Louis University. But I got it. I just.
Yeah.
Back when it was on top six. And then it's. That is.
Yeah, you said it was significant top. It's a little bit 4 people. And she's like, I'm not. Next. She's great. She's really sitting down, so.
Yeah.
I'm good about her.
I ran into the same issue. My house was something I just had.
Yes.
It's just, it was nothing. And they had like immediate stuff, really good. They really like stuff. I'm really going to be able to be enough to find it in them.
She's so, sold on that, how do you, she's fine. They will not.
It's a little easier to see how.
Everything is, but he's still. Yeah. I was like, how.
Like, it's actually, station.
Did it really? That's this.
Yeah. I did 3 times station. Okay.
So.
And he still falls from that. He's like, yeah, you cheated. No. So that's what I told him.
So they would send her to Friday, so we could send her. And then for all part of the. I'm gonna give it a thought on it, make sure.
Well, you have to be out for the good that's already later. So she's still considering whether to take that or whether she can see it, so we can go over everything. We can set it for after that, but I think it's in the office, these things.
Did you want the captain?
Yeah, I will. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You have your attorney's information.
I love you. I gotta put it up a little bit. Play around the heart.
Okay, so is it all?
There is already different.
So they're not.
No, there's an afterwards.
That's. Yeah.
Now today, I'm reading NOL in well,
Mrs. Kane today.
No. I don't know.
I'm gonna have to.
Oh. Because it's 7 months.
That was.
That's why. No, it's supposed to be set to that.
Able to look on the. What? Do you have a comment? Look on people that are missing out.
I would say this.
Proxy. We'll see when it goes. I'm not. Won't see me.
I'll see Is it because of that fancy job?
Yeah, I just didn't know it. Okay.
But we're. Who is it?
Yes, I said.
It's have big yellow letters on the back.
Cheap. It doesn't have to be yellow letters, yes. Silver, plated letters.
Wow, that is fancy pants. Well, I should leave my guy immediately.
It's not like I can walk around there.
Who's in that here service?
I mean, we can do that.
Is it different every day? You yell, Brett? Yes. Trevor Knowlton is gonna be on the docket tomorrow, he's in custody.
I don't think I'm gonna like.
We'll see if I'm here tomorrow. Wait, hold on. Court 5. Is this court 5?
Yes.
There's 5 number? Yes. 2617959. It really should have been on the
Tomorrow you
docket.
should, see it since she phone, if you don't, give us a call.
I'm here tomorrow, you know. Well, here's what happened. So he's got a case in the 230s. A couple, I should say.
Yeah, so you just respond back, so, you know.
He has
And then
a
just say.
impeding breath
Yeah.
and a robbery. And we're dismissing those. And we filed those in assault family member. Can you pull that up? Yeah, what is that? Case status is summoned outstanding. It's not back over. He doesn't have a set. That's fine. He's in custody, so right? They refiled this, Megan Williams.
Oh, okay.
She refiled it as a misdemeanor. It was supposed to be brought over today to plead on serve. So we need to get them on the docket tomorrow. Here. So you make a note, is you can verify with the great state of Texas, final for your district attorney on them. Other people won't reflect these letters in the jail. I actually, I don't see those for. Bit much. And like the silver is burned up. Well, I think it's for when they go to crime scenes, so everyone knows they're a assistant district attorney. It even has like a badge looking thing.
That is what I was like.
And I'm not sure what division she would fill with the crime scene.
You get call the officer.
There's a lot of those.
I mean,
More than we should.
mine's coming out in June, so I hope there's 0.
Did you,
Because I, 2 a.m., I did not want to be at home.
did you wear that jacket?
It's Houston, I'm gonna be sweating.
Do you like roll up with like a
Carrying the
big
jacket.
like coffee, you know, call everyone by their last name?
You know, I work.
Yeah. You know,
It's like second
you're
meeting.
sipping the coffee, making a face, pull on or something.
It's gonna be someone give your first coffee. First of all, come with your coffee. It's gonna be stunning.
Game?
Yeah. It's gonna be cherry
There is a
coke.
wrong building to just say, oh, I'm.
It's gonna be cherry coke 0 with extra ice. And I'm not gonna talk to anybody. I'm going to stay in the corner and hope that I'm not meeting. And then I'm gonna be like, the officer was like.
What about the weapons on the suspect?
I know the.
All of a sudden, the guy's got 6 guns in and around his body.
That's not.
Or one of those is third gun. Like, they carry one, if you know, they can just shake it out.
There's no room, extra room in my clothing, be a chariot.
A lot of pockets in that fancy jacket. I'm sure there's that throw
Rolls
down.
with that somewhere.
There's
Or
a
that.
pocket inside of it, throw down weapon.
Let me show you what's gonna be.
Maybe less snacks and more throw down guns. I see a hard rock.
Okay, so-
So this is everyone's on the same page. I reached out, Megan will briefcase, so will Q. He knows Q, you guys don't, she's right. She will brief, but this isn't taken care of tomorrow. I will make sure it's on the docket. You guys know the fleet of the time served on the, again,
There is it. I believe it's there's, he's staying on probation.
whatever.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
That's what I say.
they're
I
gonna
say-
dismiss the MHA, whatever it is, that it's gonna happen, but he's gonna get out, that's the main point, very close. I just don't want, I mean, also. Yeah, why? I'm not get all the case here.
Okay, I'm gonna take off.
But I will. Oh, I get it. Right, so I'm actually, I didn't want. The word got here, so I'm gonna do that, I think it's instead, it's something, Jan. He's aware of the legal, you're still. Not to reveal each other's side communication. Okay, I'll get it on the docket, and we'll get him on that. Maybe, fantastic, good talk, I feel really good, what we achieved, yes. And, I'll see you. I did it. Yeah.
We're supposed to be going up on the.
You Terry, is you Terry?
I'm probably gonna marry her.
Oh, I just saw her. We have a capital together. That's hard. You're only apples.
I mean, I'm saying,
Right.
you're not understanding.
Yeah, that we Boston, DC.
You understand how Meriwether and not me. So I know that.
Was you from
Chicago? I
You like, you probably like this job.
will.
You like this mirror, isn't you? Used to deputy law.
Before. No, it's not.
Used to be, there was one deputy law chief.
Yes.
I mean, I should get a button.
Is it better before? Yes, because then you can get somebody.
It's a training.
It's better report and you better than actually in a sport. You're currently sure.
Those guys are understand.
Yes. Well, understaffed and there's something maybe.
Overworked, understand?
Constant report. Constant day. There is a, yeah, sure, that's.
Maybe Sean, less than fair, Sean, more salaries.
I
spent an appropriate amount.
am.
It looks like it could be
Comments,
so over the top.
anything negative, or, I mean, I can sign a paycheck.
It's quite good after that.
He is very awkward and.
Or that I've been here for a problem. Is that part of this? Stuff? You get that?
I probably take part of that out and does use it totally done for lodging.
Victorians.
Yes, and he does do that.
Seen on baseball.
Softball.
Well, no,
It's
no.
not just like softball.
Well, I see on baseball.
Ah.
I was coaching. You were coaching, you coached, what's your doing? What are you doing? We just coached the Rangers. Wait, intermediate? Oh, we're Padres. No? Hey. Wow. I don't, did we play first? I think so. Probably beat us first, right? Although oddly enough, we beat the Marlins. They were second round of the playoffs, 9-0. Yeah. And we lost our third round, because our pitcher had a sore elbow. And we didn't have a pitcher, so we just had to. The pitch count is the most annoying thing, personally. Yeah, but we were good on all that. Yeah, it's just that he was game the game, but and elbow first. Yeah, he can't pitch. And we had to run, and he's like a shutdown. They can't get this dude right. Yeah, so travel ball guy. Yeah, it's. He's a grader. Yeah. Upper moon. Okay. So, yeah. In it, and so we didn't have any, and then Max problem with he was, oh, you thought a school trip. Right, makes it, and so we had like nobody, our raw sauce and everything. But we were like in a good spot. Yeah. So who's Rangers is, it's myself, Sean McLaughlin, and then Jacob Walsh, the other coach. He's a Boston friend of mine. So cover those guys. Did you go through what you're doing? Oh, no, not going up. This. Where'd you play college? His partner had Poconos. If you want to go read it. His partner had Green Hat, and then it said Jake, I already coach for his team. And Jake said, "Well, do it. We're great friends," and I was the friend.
I'll say you how you that. Friends are.
Second half of it. Yeah, that's more interest. I see. We said, you know, we, you. Yeah.
Yeah.
He played baseball. He also, I think, doesn't remember.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I'm about to see him. Well, we're not done with baseball. 3 days.
I think Judge may go to another. You actually.
Yep. She played. No, he said it's actually. It was sweet. Like that's. Yeah. You had like. You have like 4 or 5 players that play. And you got fun. Yeah, that, they all have that, you know, you batteries are leather as well. Yep. After you hit Judas first, you can't. Line up, yeah. Good talk, good stuff. Oh, all right.
I'm trying to get these spaces up for you.
Very well, I fuck this one. You know what I mean? And my son. Bro, I don't know if I'll get him tomorrow, but he does get him. Yeah, I just want to make sure he doesn't, it's not a situation where they want to kind of say, oh, no, I got penalties, so we want to do it this year. I made it. Yeah, because it's 5. That's good. It was, that's why it's. I didn't know that stuff. Making it, yeah. Are you are going there?
No, not very much.
Written in the sun.
Oh,
Yeah,
right.
I don't know. We really is. And plus Mario is squirrely about lunch. Get something done.
All of it, I can do the bottom. That is so true.
I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna sit. And she comes out. I'll take her in line. No rush.
This is a way to take.
I mean, really, that's exactly what I'll be doing. That was what I'm doing.
Really?
Amazon. It is cheap. Anything like toothbrush.
Are you
Skincare products? Body wash.
Okay, I showered this morning, so you're not even like, even second.
I'm just saying those are easy things that you can usually get same day delivered.
Oh, there's so much you can get same day delivery.
I know that, sometimes I'm like, I need it, like get over the $25 mark.
I was gonna say, get over $25. I think that's something that.
Right, I just go for like some sort of a personal grooming device or item.
I usually go and look at my previously ordered items and see like, oh, well, not in a while.
Things that like don't necessarily expire. You know, like milk or cheese, not a dairy.
That's pretty good. Do you have another closet with you, sir?
Yeah.
So
you have mom.
What is your last name? Okay, if you found it local, you're gonna have, that's the route. Oh, what? Right? I don't always think sleeves. Oh, no, what happened? Okay, what is the date of birth?
Oh, that guy, yeah. He's the real one for the leader, yeah, so good, says.
Oh, yeah.
Only.
Have a mom who said that's how the day, that's what they. I was trying to figure out. They don't know what it was. Can you stop? And the last name, not sure, MILLE. Okay.
And then his son was like, no, I'm the person that we've been speaking to. My dad is at all.
Okay,
So
was
when I
name
said,
said.
community, please. Please.
No.
Oh, you got it, in person.
No, don't be cleats. You don't want it.
Pickleball shoes or something.
What shoes?
Look like pickleball.
No, please. That more for like movement and running and activity. And you have.
Scrapbooking items.
Crafting, yeah, these are crafting.
You're crafting?
Yeah. Stamps with cursive words on them, my favorite.
Really? Like you reverence stamps.
Yes, I like stamps that say cursive words and inappropriate.
Cursive words.
Yep.
I'm just gonna stick with these.
Okay.
Same that.
Yes.
Yes, no. Easy. Looking on back to different versions, 16, hold on. Do you need to show us? Hey, but he's the only person to keep driving. Oh. I gotta assume that there's a ratio you like to have you know, there's circumstantial. Some of it. Program. Is you know, some. The first one is that. Next thing, you had everything back to the function. It's so, you that, you know, I mean, is that core defines that we're not having. And then there's this, I mean, the human, version of blowing that fix the.
Send it to the teacher.
Campbell and Sean, which, was handled by, I think, but a lot of.
Was it this thing? That's probably my recommend, because, so, yeah, they have that for.
Okay, okay.
So it's the one that's getting the television. I mean, you know, like that. Yes. No, this needs to stand, but it's still good, but if you want to.
That's just sitting here, that's been your somebody underscore person for his hat. Probably told me this on the. You know. That then you have to miss a meeting. No, you. Okay, well, you were. Oh, you're. Oh, that's screwed up. NUV.
Underscore follow. AR.
You were driver students.
Oh, the one that I said, yeah.
Hold on. So
FAR, so you maybe.
it's not the person. I remember think that there's a bunch of here. I remember nothing. Do you have one?
Said it.
It said.
Likely.
That's already. Still.
Yeah.
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 That's the law. It was pretty good. License and registration. I think it's that.
Yeah.
It's just we, but it's shitty.
Yeah, I think I got it.
Mario's blown up. And, now, you, what you don't know.
We have somebody else.
Mario's like that. This is. He really insensitive. Slot, that was obviously email. Phone number, so.
Yeah.
Just put it on the line. It's probably such that you don't want to extend. She really-
There's a summons on stage. Just need to get it on.
Don't do the cheaper.
You and I.
Because I'm not getting. I'm like that.
Working for what I needed. I could switch some application in.
Yeah.
You need to work with Jack. If you don't, if you perhaps say you have an idea to. You're physically by it.
How long have you been?
Many, many years.
Okay. Have you ever known that to be?
We approach.
It's so funny.
I'm not wrong. So if you use a little bit of that. I know. But I.
Thank you now. It's like no period. That's when I stopped talking, right?
When muscle started.
When I realized it would be interesting, elderly charge.
Oh, nice.
No, I didn't.
Well, that's. So based on my recent reading of the statute. This was the story. I actually have one. I don't think I'm quite there. Maybe. Yes. You can't be that far behind. We gotta be what? 57. No. Stop. I have to get it set.
I stopped there.
Or.
The minute that you asked if I was starting with the number 5, it was.
You're telling me you're at this point.
Yeah. That's not what I said. I said the minute that you started with the number 5.
The cheaper, I will prove you go. You have anything to talk to?
Yeah.
I'll turn you this way.
Yeah. Especially.
Gotcha. That means those leaves. Takes that,
Hold on, wait, hold on.
at least for the contract. The all day.
I was looking to see if I had any. I don't know what that.
Kind of a big deal for like. Let them out, Rich Mahogany. Yeah, the big deal.
And only six.
I always send you, no, that.
So right, big deal, 2/3.
Oh, it is.
This is the one, yes, I'll attorney.
Wait, how can you get some ghosts? Can I go? I'm going to do that. They're in the back. Is it? All right, so you'll get my first done tomorrow morning? Stick around. He's like that, he doesn't stay there.
I'm gonna start walking on.
I'm really bad for it. He likes to go to this life. It's just not cool city.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You got that license?
Yeah.
It's hard.
Just give me just get it. There's something license. Well, we're going to try and get a March still. She's got it. If she wanted to try, she's actually. And then you can't.
Yeah, sure, talking about stuff. We live stream.
It's next Thursday, I will possibly.
Well, I retain NIL.
Hopefully.
Maybe in which likeness.
I can just get it.
You gotta pay for that. You can't just live.
It's not streamed, it is.
Okay, like my likeness is.
So people are only hearing me.
Stand for you.
I just.
What's for that?
I think.
I own
You take that
I
out.
gotta pay for the privilege.
And I didn't be here to watch that.
We are still.
Yeah, I don't get out of bed for listening.
Okay, we are at.
Remember I was telling you.
Yeah, just like.
I regret the fact that I now said curse words and forgot.
Last year, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Check. Yeah. This on? Prank call, yeah. 27 years old. With 143. There's no justice. No justice. Attica.
Yes.
Your kids talk a lot.
3 years.
My younger one is kind of chatty, but my older one not so much. Unless he's like already, but.
Your old one's like, right.
No, he's just 16, so,
Oh.
you know how they get at that age, boys. So,
If you don't mind.
oh, just wants to be left alone with his thoughts, like whatever he's doing, privately.
My son's pretty quiet until it's on.
Right, unless he's arguing about
He's
something.
20 now, so it's great.
Yeah, he's just kind of like, just want to be left alone compared to and with thoughts.
15.
And tell me this is all.
Oh, you're bad. I wasn't very.
It was really bad.
Like myself. And then. But I was also doing the whole thing. Even once it.
And then not. That's good. That's good.
They're cheap.
And your best friend.
No.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a lot.
I think it was safe. Keeping them all.
Gotta do this. Standing on.
Yeah, it's like environmental, and I'm just like, when I get from that. Yeah, it's very easy for me to get over that, but now it's better. But, and it's just,
It's my opinion, of course. It is.
Oh, exactly, exactly, and then so the worst is another day, talk to them. Because I find that, I'm like, let me get around the corner. We cannot do that. More pushing.
Yeah.
So I'm just like. I just.
It's like a fan.
She did a lot, like, my mom's.
Now, no, everything's socialized. And there are things about those here.
I think she was in the. And it takes her a long time to kind of like create the. So I kind of talk with her. Like it doesn't take care.
I think. Yeah.
That was so funny. I mean, now it's just funny.
Yeah, that's all.
It would irritate me so bad. Oh, but. They were like, girl, you do, you just say the difference. Kind of like, they love it.
Every other. You have whatever. It's leisure. It's not just the stuff. Yeah, it's dingy. But it's the year that raised he gets from.
They still get your head put in. I saw it. No, no, nobody was like that. Oh, she was trying to do giant. She was trying to do sitting on the other side. Now we're gonna put you to that. No. They in a meeting right now. And he is, I was I got my class on this, my name's on it. I guess I was supposed to say something. And he's like, I'll give you the license. She said, I'll change it. And I was like, I live in Billings, I was supposed to. And I'm so I'm surprised I know what property is on. See, her, so I have no idea what you're gonna sell. Whatever, I just was like, this is the same.
See you, brother.
Bye, Bernadette.
Are you? So.
Okay, I'm bringing on. That's also nice. Yeah.
I have to.
Oh, I know. Yeah. After a while. So you said one for 8 hours. These are probably minutes. You got another phone call. Well, they even change, and I just have some other ones, they didn't that you just have to, that's done, and I don't do that. You do, like, that's a file. Hey, how are you? Already, I took a blue on the nail, and online. And then slide it, make sure there's no bubbles, because there's some bubbles. And that's it, anything on it, I still last. I didn't lie. Really? Yeah, because I know you always have to know.
Hi, Carlos.
How you doing, Judge?
What's up?
We have a gentleman that was on docket yesterday. He's completed his mitigation package.
Wonderful. You got it?
What was the name? I'm sorry.
I don't remember.
I got it right here. Lisa.
That's right, Lace, that's right. So let's give them a week.
Your coordinator talked about a week yesterday, but I am on vacation the next 2 weeks, so she said if I wanted to have to come approach you to see if we could get a three-week reset, because that's when I'll be back.
Okay, but if there's if there's an approval between now and then, give them the contract so that they can have everything done on the way back. Okay,
Yeah, we're going to the mountains of Virginia. My son went to an online school out of Liberty University. And it's got a great education, but now we gotta go there for the graduation.
great, congrats.
Thank you.
Okay, man.
Take care. Bye.
Hey, you ready?
Judge.
Hi, hi, listen, what's up?
How are you?
Oh, you know, Monday-ish.
Yeah. It feels like that.
Just last name of your client,
Watson.
Watson. Oh, okay.
Yes, so I was talking to Farwa, and she requested that we get a very short reset because she's trying to confirm with felony that they don't have any instructions for her on these cases.
Judge,
That's what I believe, but you
Yeah.
can correct me.
I believe ours was part of an offer, a global offer.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna sit there and wait for their case is now a year and a half. I mean, and they're still not doing, what's it set now for?
Yeah.
And this step case is from February of 2025. We're now in May. At some point, we got to put this baby to bed. We can't just keep resetting. And just because they pick up criminal cases, you can't just keep resetting it and
Their next setting is the pretrial motion setting
when?
on,
I'm
I
sorry.
think I'm looking at,
Yeah, court today?
yes, that's what it looks like, but I'm seeing,
June
You
2nd.
told me June 2nd.
I'm seeing June 15th.
The reset says June 2nd. Dispo on June 2nd. So This is your last setting. That's your,
I mean,
this is
yes,
your,
We were willing to.
it's okay. I'm giving you another month, really.
Yeah,
Okay,
Yeah.
but at this setting, at this next setting is clear trial.
yes, sir.
Okay, so he's got to be here. Is he?
He is here. He's just, I gave him my phone charger. He went to get charged outside.
So let Mr. Watson know that he'll be here at the next setting in
Yes,
his
sir.
clear trial at that setting.
Yes, sir.
I can't just sit here and wait. We're now, it's,
That's what we want as well, Judge, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
See you then.
okay,
Thank you.
yes, ma'am.
Is we're there in the.
Yeah, she'll be right out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Maria.
Hi, Judge.
Hey, good morning.
Desde la próxima querella,
Okay. You got some time? You're 156 days old.
no repeat.
We have attempted, but our investigators are working on
Okay,
getting.
so
We sent it to him, but he hasn't found a number yet. He hasn't made contact yet.
has he even tried?
I believe he has. Yes, he's made an attempt.
Okay, I'm giving you 10 days.
Today's should work.
Yep, 10-day discovery hearing, whatever's not in within the next 10 days.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Maria. Between now and then, also please put an offer, and then your guy must be here too. Okay. Okay.
So very quickly,
Yo,
I have this CDR here that you put in 1,002.
damn it. Okay, I'll fix it. Sorry. Is it in ready for activity?
Yes, I'll have the note next to it. as well.
Okay, sorry about that. Yep.
Stop lying. Yeah. Just very quickly, for Mr. Tovar, you reminded him and
Yeah, I guess she didn't. I was waiting to see if she came back with other evidence or not. I guess she hasn't, right?
oh, Mr. Dana. Yes, I haven't seen her.
Okay, I'm gonna wait till the end of docket to see if she comes back. If she doesn't at that point, I'll end up revoking. If it 12,501. Well, yeah, it's 10,000 now.
And she doesn't come back.
Yeah, and then I'll let you know for sure. And then I'll do a bail order as well.
Okay. Hold on one second.
Sure.
260
Okay.
3776.
Okay.
We do the rest or the insane, basically rest for him. It's then we were the rest and walked out of the interview. They want sure it's having this psychology result, the result as God's soldier and spiritual warfare. I looked for the defense council know that I'm just letting you know. It wasn't.
Is he taking medication? Should he be taking medication? Well, no, I mean, remember this is last time do you remember who we got?
Foreign Steer has recommended BDR, but they wasn't able to complete it today, so.
Can we go on the past one?
It was from 2021.
Yeah, got it. Okay. So
He's on docket on the but it's just happened.
should we try again?
If he's acting a bit, I don't think he's gonna want to be. Either he's like, that's what he's going to get there, and I don't know if he'll get a first look with the staff, or I don't know, they'll consider him.
So what I'll do is I'm gonna email Mr. Bailey to come by. And then I'll attach you and the state.
Okay, the way that it's done is that it is.
Very good.
Oh, good, okay. Pretty sure he keeps coming here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That is taking a stage one, is that?
Hi, Miss Henley.
Good morning, Jeff.
How are you?
I'm sorry.
I'm better.
Great.
I was so sick last week.
Yeah, my daughter too. It was kind of crazy.
And I better before, and I sent the Mac an email telling me how sick I was upstairs. I didn't have my classes, and I fell down the stairs 2 weeks ago, so I was afraid to go downstairs. And so when I did, I couldn't tell exactly who I was sending it to.
Dude, careful.
I know, I'm 64. You don't realize that's happening, you know?
And getting old sucks. Sucks.
It's been, I have arthritis so bad.
I don't even, yeah,
But I have Mr. Thompson, he's in jail.
okay.
He's on the trach judge. He took up a new felony and used it. Like I said yesterday, but then.
Picked up a robbery. Didn't he pick up a robbery?
No, sir, it's in the.
Oh, okay. Someone else did. Okay. What should we do? I'm at your mercy. Whatever you want to do, I'm fine.
Well, Judge, I guess I need to see what's gonna happen on that felony.
Yeah, for
but,
sure. Oh, they gave him another PR bond in our cases? For real?
Did they? I didn't know if that's, so he already has an assault and a,
How's that possible? They didn't even review it. What the?
well, they probably didn't revoke it.
Hey, Victoria, you see that on Thompson in jail? Take a look.
A BDR was filed?
No,
Yeah.
he's in jail.
Well, no, that he's in jail on the felony. The BVR was filed and you responded about it. It was about him picking up the felony. And then he responded last week, I think on Friday.
But I'm surprised is that when he went in front of a magistrate to talk about the PCS, they didn't address our cases at all.
But that's because his bonds were still intact. They didn't revoke his bonds.
Okay, right. I guess so. No, you're right. Okay, I'm gonna yank the PR bond. I can't. If you picked up a felony offense, right, just new law violation, just leave it as is. I'll leave it as is. I'm not gonna touch it, but
But
no
just not
more.
at the PR.
Right,
That
yeah.
makes sense to me.
And then whatever you want, I'm happy to do. If you want to do after the felony,
It's tomorrow.
I'm at your mercy, whatever you
I'm
want.
at his mercy. Right now, I'm not getting 11 o'clock at night.
What is the PCS upstairs?
It is.
I mean, how, Mr. Thompson's all,
Their traffic stop, crack fight in plain view on the driver's floorboard.
If you look at his, judge, he's had since at least 20.
I know, I remember, this is the gentleman who,
Whiteboard. Right?
right, communicating with the whiteboard, because it
Right.
can talk. Yeah, okay, I'm, whatever you need to set, like, you want to set it a day, 2 days, 3 days, a week? Yeah.
Is he still like, no, he's still bonded on the felony?
No, he's got a bond, 2,500.
So I was, this sounds terrible. I was worried he was gonna make it before we got here.
No,
Because he was supposed to have
I'm-
yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if he has anyone that's prepared to make it.
He has an $800 bicycle.
An $800 bicycle,
Yes.
dang.
I know, because I watched all the body cams. I watched them that weekend because I got him Friday after that and I figured.
And here I am on a Costco bike with a jalopy that the seat barely works. I'm surprised the seat doesn't come off and I'll end up sitting on it anyways. Yeah.
And you rode it uphill and
Mhm.
snow to school every day.
Yeah.
Okay, so, do you know, because of it, out of curiosity?
Yes, ma'am. I just need to answer.
No, no, he's not. Restitution payments, restitution, and there was a last remark.
Okay, bye.
Yes. Okay, awesome.
Sorry, Judge.
Sure. You want to go to the list?
Yes.
All right, Judge, page 10. Failed to appear yesterday, so we vote for today.
Okay. The 2501.
Papa 12, is Stephen Raymond, failed to appear as the bond is posted.
Same thing. Oh, 5,002.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, who's next?
Oh, page 30, Zapata, we sent a bench warrant and they still haven't brought it back. You want me to give them more time?
Yeah, yeah.
That's it, Judge.
That's it? Okay.
The last one is one and four.
That's fine.
You know, personally, I was just letting them know that.
Good morning, Mr. Burnett.
Good morning, Judge.
We don't have him yet. We're gonna give him another couple weeks to see if we get him.
Yes, Judge.
Are you okay with that?
Yes, absolutely. I came by and noticed he hadn't got there and I've just
Okay.
forgot to come back down.
Yes, Judge.
So I'm sorry, Cynthia, do you want to do just 2 weeks from today?
We can, Judge.
You want to do just 2 weeks from today?
Yes, Judge, that'll work. Perfect. On the 19th?
Yeah, okay, it's yours.
Absolutely. Thank you.
All right, thanks, bud.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye. All right, I think we're done.
Montoya?
Who's?
The defense.
Ah,
You signed up.
got it. All right, I think